Something I wanted to point out with papers with quite distinct lines and levels, and how level your window reveal or any feature on your wall is. So you have to keep your paper running level, you've got no choice. It's tempting to twist your paper to make it look level on the eye, but that will give you problems as you go across the wall. You have to keep it level. Now I've checked my level of this header going round, and you can see the red line of the laser level. This paper at the moment is absolutely spot on level, but I don't know if you can see that that this line here in relation to the bottom of the coving isn't parallel. So which means our coving from this corner of the wall to there is going to run up slightly, and this gap between coving and line will increase. But you have to keep your paper level. It's something, as I mentioned, you can point out to a customer before you start. With a paper like this, if all the levels aren't exact, you will get slight changes in levels and parallel lines. They might like the paper that much, they're happy to put up with that, and it's not massively obvious. Some people would never even notice it unless you pointed it out, but I think you need to point things out before you carry on. It's the professional way to do it. If at the end they weren't happy and you didn't point it out, you're in a difficult position, because you should be giving your professional opinion. So like I say, keep your paper level. This laser level keeps me running level all the time. As I said before, I had made some other, if you haven't got a laser level, you can keep putting your vertical lines down the wall just to give you guides. I wouldn't do this any other time unless I'm going around the window. Make lots of these pencil lines along the wall, so give you a guide to stay vertically level.